I am back, and now we are ready to open this little Shopkin. They are not limited editions. I know that for a fact. So let's get this little guy out. Oh, that is cute. I will look at this. Don't worry. Always, you can use your teeth to open these too, but I would not recommend it. It's not very good. Doesn't taste good. It tastes like plastic and weird. If you get the joke, I am not literally eating plastic. That would be nasty. But, oh, look how cute this is. Oh my gosh. We got this. Are they two different colors? They are. They are the same one, but one is more darker than the other. That is cute. I love that. And I got some, oh, this guy will not stand. Unfortunately, he's just a bling, bling, bling. Oh. Oh. It's gonna pop. Okay. I don't know if it'll pop. If it pops, please let me know. I do not know. Oh, it's in different languages, but I have a Walmart bag to throw these away. Oh, this, okay, I gotta open this. Okay. If you'd like me to get more of these mini brands, please let me know in the comments. I will not be getting them every week. As you know, it gets more and more money. So I will probably be doing it every other week getting these. Because every week just gets too much. You know? Does that fit? Oh, that. No, it doesn't fit. I don't think it fits that one. It fits. You are in the way. Let's see what these mini brands we have. Oh, that did come off. Okay. So, out of the whole checklist, we do not have the hot dog. We do not have Mentos. Oh, you can collect them all. So, out of the ones we have, is that one metallic? Or is that the regular Hershey? No, it's the regular, so. I do not have a marker, so I will mark them off next time for you guys. But this, oh, I moved it in, is the cookies and cream. We have the Kraft Singles, the Cool Whip Original, and the Lunchables. Including the Smarties, which is 5. We got, out of these Shopkins, we have, okay, the snack pack rice smoothie thing. We have, oh, I gotta collect more of these. I do have, okay, I did get the pie one, which I will read them off next time to you because I do not have a marker at the time. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please comment. You don't have to comment, but like and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.